How to find patterns in DSA? Part 1. And we will start with stack data structure. So in any DSA question, how you will identify that in that question you have to use stack data structure or not. Always remember, if in that problem, if you have to keep a track of the previous elements which you have already visited, stack data structure might be applied. Or if in that question it is asking for your nested structure or matching pairs, like problem name, if you have heard about valid parenthesis, you have to check and you are iterating from this level, right? And you keep on moving your eye pointer towards right. So when you reach this point, then basically you have to check that you find the closing pair. Did you have the opening bracket in previous time? And for that, you have to keep a track of that. Hence, stack data structure is needed. And at last, basically you have to check if we are looking for next greater element or next smaller element in that array. So in some interviews, interviewer might ask you that you have some number of arrays like this, and basically you have to check the next greater element towards its right. So for 1, if it will see towards its right, 5 will be the maximum element. For 5, 4 is minimum and 9 is the maximum. So for 5, 9 will be the next greater element. Similarly for 4, 9 will be the next greater element. And similarly for 9, it has nothing in its right part, so -1 will be dedicated. So for any such type of problems where you have been asked to find greater element, next greater element, smaller towards right or left, or you have to find some pairs, basically you have to check if particular number is already visited in past or not, then in that case, instead of using nested for loops, you can simply go with stack data structure.